Hey there guys, this is going to be a full tutorial on the Webhttrack tool, and before that I have already written a blog post on it, so that's what you're seeing. So this blog post link will be in the description box below. So first of all, what is Webhttrack? So basically the Webhttrack is a website copier, or we can say it as it just mirrors the target site and saves in your local directory. And also we have seen a tool called Webhttrack, and also I have made a video on the Webhttrack too, so that video will be in the description box as well. So let's see the difference between Webhttrack and Webhttrack. So first of all, both the tools are developed by a single user, single person, and the Webhttrack is a command line interface, but the Webhttrack is a website. It is more of like graphical user interface. Okay, so it is web format, of course. So to install this tool in Linux, you can just enter this particular command, that is apt-get install Webhttrack, and also if you are a Windows user, you can just click here and install this tool. So let's and also I have given how to work with this tool. If you have time, you can just go through all these blog posts. So let me open my VMware. So I'm just entering Webhttrack to execute the tool. So let's wait for it to load. Okay guys, so the interface looks something like this. So first of all, let's select the languages. So I'm just going with English and select next. So it's stuck with this. So I'm just giving English next. Okay, it went to the next step. So over here you could see that existing project names. You can also select the existing project you already mirrored, and also you can enter a new project name. So I'm just going with project 2, and also in the categories, if you want to add category, you can just add the category, and also you can add the category name over here. So I'm just going with the tech category. So basically the category just sorts out what type of scans you have done. So at last we can see that base path. So the base path is basically where do you want to save the results. So I'm okay with this particular directory, and I'm just giving next. So over here we can see that action tab. So basically, first of all, we can see the download website. So the download website just downloads one website, and the next download websites plus questions, which will tells what is happening, and which will tells what all the sites have mirrored. And get individual files, it will just get the individual files which are in the particular URL you are entering. And the download all sites in a page. So download all sites in a page just mirrors multiple URLs in a particular domain name. And test links in page, so basically the test links in page, if you enter a particular URL, it just tests the links and gives whether it is okay or not. It just says 200 or 301 what type it is. Okay, so I will just go with download all sites in a page. So I'm just going with multiple mirrors, and I'm just entering the URLs over here. So I'm just entering www.techyrig.com. and also you can enter multiple URLs from here. So add URL, if you give add URL, you can just enter the URL and login and password, so you can go with it. Okay, so if you also want to add multiple URLs inside this box, just enter the comma and add the URLs you want to mirror. So I'm just going with this one domain, and also you can add the URLs list. So if you already have a URLs list in a text file, you can just enter the text file over here and you can just give next. Also you can see that there is an option called in the preferences and mirror options. Just select the set options, and we can set the options. So over here we can see that get HTML files first, test all links. So you can do all these stuffs, and you can set the proxies if you want. So all these stuffs are over here. You can just go and play with it. So I'm just giving OK and give next. So to finish it, let's give start. So let's wait for the results. So over here we can see that the www.techuric.com is ready to scan, and let's wait for it to scan. So the scan is started and the mirroring operation is completed. So the site is mirrored and we can see the path over here. So I'll just go to the terminal and enter the path. So I'll go to another space and open the terminal. So I'm just going to cd/home/osboxes websites, so list. So we have entered in project 1. So I'm just entering cd pro1 list. So we could see the files we have backup, we just mirrored. So we can see all these information. So this is how to work with the Webhttrack tool. So I hope you like this video. So, and also make sure you visit my blog post which I wrote, and also do watch the video I made on the Webhttrack tool. So that's it for this video, guys. So make sure you give a like and subscribe to our channel. See you next video, guys.